Hey everybody, quick update here on my 25 gallon Theobroma cacao plant. Notice that this one is growing in the container, as you can see, and I've had to actually thin out some of the pods. There were quite a few pods damaged by the recent 39-degree weather we had a couple of weeks back, but overall it's doing very well. There were a few other larger pods, not much larger than this actually, about half the size, but those were yellow, and I knew that that wasn't going to make it, so I removed them. The idea being that if I can maintain these two pods with no other pods competing, then I should have a little better luck in actually getting a nice size ripe pod. And this is as successful as I've been ever in growing a cacao plant in a container. So we'll keep at it, and we'll keep sharing with you guys some updates. If you look here, it's getting kind of dark out, so I don't know if you can see this, but the leaves are looking typical of what cacao looks like. I did lose some leaves up at the top because the tree had been covered with frost cloth, and then the frost cloth came all the way down to the ground to protect it from that 39-degree weather. So it's important to protect your cacao trees from inclement weather. I mean, they're just not happy at 39 degrees, but if you properly protect them, you should be fine. Again, it's in a container, so I always have the option to to bring it indoors, but I did not bring it indoors. I left it outside. And I'd also later on at another video in the near future, I'll bring some updates on some of the grafting that I'm doing, and also the ones that are actually in the ground that are not nearly even close to be as productive as this particular cacao tree is right here. So I'm real happy.